Grapefruit is low in calories but very rich in nutrients. It is also an excellent source of vitamins, such like vitamin C and vitamin A. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Here is Rema Healthy Way, your home of healthy recipes. Today I am going to share with you a very simple recipe, and this is very good for burning belly fat. All right, you want to burn all those fats around your abdomen. You don't want it again. This works magic, okay? And you don't want to miss out on this recipe. So the ingredients that you are going to need for this particular recipe are mango, grapefruit, orange, and fresh ginger roots. So you also want to add cayenne pepper or black pepper or even white pepper to it. Either of this is okay. And don't forget to add cinnamon as well. So here I'm using a juice and orange. Okay, so you can as well use mandarin orange or something like this, and it's okay. So I'm using Lima orange, and that has always been my choice because it's juicy and has a lot of benefits as well. So you want to, so this is my black pepper. This is what I have at home. So over there is my cinnamon, and that's that. So I'm using frozen mangoes, and fresh mango is okay. I used frozen ones because this is the only mango that I was having at home. So guys, this is it. So it's very simple. You want to add all your ingredients and blend for at least 1 minute. But one thing is, you don't have to be worried about the pulp. It's okay. Your blender can do justice to that, and because this is a weight loss juice, you want to leave all the pulp because you really need the fiber, which is very important, and you don't want to do away with that. But at the end of the day, if luck is on your side, I mean with your blender, and then it means that you don't even have to worry about the pulp at all, because due to the mango in this, is going to give you a little it's going to be a little smooth, like it's going to look like smoothies, okay? And also depends on the amount of water that you're going to add to it. So you can take this early in the morning before breakfast or something like this. You can as well do this late in the night, right before bed. So guys, today I am not doing much into the ingredients that I am using on this recipe. For I have already done this in other videos, so I'm going to provide you with some of the links to which you are going to get a lot of information from on any of the ingredients that I am using today. All right, so you have nothing to worry about. But if I am going to talk about something on this video, then I will prefer to talk about grapefruits. So you want to know the nutritional benefits that you gain from taking grapefruit. Sorry, you want to know that some people call it a superfood, all right, because of its nutrients and all the benefits that we gain from using this. Some people also decide to take about a half of grape before they eat anything in the morning, all right, to help them be in shape and also to maintain their weight and also to lose weight as well. So you want to add this to your weight loss journey, okay? You want to get that belly fat out and set yourself free. So the nutritional benefits we gain from grapefruit is it has vitamin C and A. I said it from the beginning of this video. It also has calcium and iron as well. You want to know that grape is very good, and it helps you to reduce this the risk of kidney stones, and it also helps you to lose weight, which is the most important part. Okay, this is what the video is all about. So if you are someone struggling with obesity as well, this can help you. It helps your heart, it helps your skin, it also helps you to treat diabetes type 2, and it also helps you to boost your immunity or your immune system due to the vitamin C present in it. And so you want to boost your immune system and lose your weight as well. This is very, very important for you, and you don't want to miss out on it. So guys, this is it. Every other information, I am going to leave a link under in the description box under this video. So if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget, just leave a comment for me in the comments section. You can as well subscribe if you haven't done already, and you can also give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget. All right, so I want to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all my returning subscribers. May God richly bless you for always visiting this channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything that you have been doing to make sure that this channel is going. I really appreciate that. So to my new viewers, thank you very much for coming. God bless you. So this is it, and I am going to see you again in my next video. God bless you for coming. Here is Rema Healthy Way. Thank you. It's bye.